Hi everyone, I Joya welcome you all to our channel New Sentina Vastralaya. Hope everyone is fine. Today we have come up with very fashionable, budget friendly, easy to drape tissue and Kora silk sarees. Like to carry with luxurious shine and design, these sarees are meant for all festivals and important functions at home. We will be showing a variety of color options for you to choose from. So without further ado, let's get draping. Starting with a gorgeous tissue saree in pink color with long and short border. Side number 1, contrast zari woven border in pink color. The entire body of the saree is decorated with golden floral motifs. Side number 1 priced at 1250. Zari woven pallu with beautiful diamond shaped motifs. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. This is the second color option of side number 1. Very pretty color combination, green with pink. Zari woven contrast pink pallu. Contrast blouse piece in pink color. Light yellow with peachish pink. Elegant color combination. Light yellow with peachish pink. Zari woven contrast pink pallu. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. Another pretty color combination, sunset orange with pink. Contrast pink pallu. This saree has a contrast blouse piece with gold saree combination. Next is a very beautiful Kora silk with velvet border. Side number 2 priced at 1090. Contrast red velvet border on either side. Body goes on dual shade of black and red. All over body is decorated with golden zigzag design in horizontally. Zari woven golden pallu. This saree has a contrast blouse piece with gold saree combination. Classic color combination, grey with red and gold. Contrast zari woven pallu in red color. This saree has a gorgeous blouse piece, golden tissue. Bottle green with red and gold. Zari woven contrast pallu in red color. Gorgeous blouse piece in golden tissue. Navy blue with red and gold. Contrast zari woven pallu in red color. This saree has a gorgeous blouse piece in golden tissue. Beautiful color combination, wine with red and gold. Contrast zari woven pallu in red color. Golden tissue blouse piece. Saree number 3 is a classic Kora silk in beige with ratio weaving border. Priced at only 690. On the top of the border we can see artistic paisley motifs. Plain body. This saree is ideal for gifting purpose. Grand pallu with artistic paisley and floral motifs in thread weaving. Simple plain blouse piece with beautiful border. Saree number 4 is a very soothing color combination. Light pista green with gold and silver saree. Priced at 1790. Lower border is quite broad. There are few horizontal panels in gold saree. Body has got beautiful floral motifs in silver saree. This saree is very ideal for daytime event. Simple pallu with silver zari combination. Light pista green blouse piece with silver zari combination. Very sober color combination. Light yellow with gold and silver zari. Simple pallu with silver zari combination. Blouse piece is in light yellow with silver zari combination. Lovely color combination, pink with gold and silver zari. Pallu with silver zari combination. Blouse piece is in pink color with silver zari combination. Classy elegant color combination, beige with gold and silver zari. Simple pallu with silver zari combination. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. Charming color combination, peachish pink with gold and silver zari. Simple pallu with silver zari combination. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. Now we are seeing a beautiful Kora silk in beige with red. Saree number 5 priced at 1050. Contrast red resham weaving border. All over body is defined with beautiful floral motifs in red resham weaving. Simple contrast pallu in red color. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. Color option off-white with blue. Contrast pallu in blue color. Contrast blouse piece in blue color. Sober classic color combination beige with light brown. Contrast pallu in brown color. Brown color blouse piece with mini checks design. Beige with green. Contrast pallu in green color with mini checks design. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. A classic Kora tissue saree in beige with gold zari. Priced at 1310. Intricate zari woven border with leaf floral vines. Body has got beautiful bust motifs. Pallu is defined with golden vase motifs. At the end of the pallu is finished with beautiful tassels. Blouse piece is in Rani. Now we are seeing a very pretty tissue saree in dual shade of golden yellow and Rani pink. Priced at 1160. Contrast zari woven Rani pink border. Body has got beautiful floral motifs in gold zari. Contrast pallu with a broad panel in yellow color. Contrast blouse piece in yellow color. Dual shade of blue and yellow with violet border. Simple contrast pallu with a broad panel. Dual shade blouse piece in lemon yellow and pink. Beautiful tissue saree in dual shade of orange and Rani pink with pink border. Simple contrast pallu with a broad panel. Contrast blouse piece in dual shade tone. Dual shade of green and yellow with pink border. Simple contrast pallu with a broad panel. Dual shade blouse piece. Now presenting a beautiful tissue saree in beige with red. Priced at 1090. Contrast red border with zigzag pattern in gold saree. All over body is defined with geometric pattern in gold zari. Contrast zari woven pallu in red color. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. Sari number 9 is an elegant Kora silk. Priced at 890. Contrast satin border in peach color with contrast slip piping in brown color. All over body is decorated with floral motifs. Simple plain blouse piece. Off-white with green. Pallu is decorated with floral motifs. Simple plain blouse piece. Soothing color combination, off-white with pink. Similar design continued in the pallu. Simple plain blouse piece. Off-white with light green. Pallu is decorated with floral prints. Simple plain blouse piece in off-white. Another elegant sober tissue saree in beige with red. Size number 10, priced at 1090. Zari woven contrast border in red color. All over body is filled with temple design in gold zari. Contrast pallu in red color, decorated with golden floral motifs. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. A beautiful Kora silk in deep sea green with antique gold zari. Saree number 11, priced at 1160. Zari woven scarf border with a panel of mini diamond shape, and at the end of the border we can see beautiful paisley motifs along with half circle motifs. All over body is filled with golden tree motifs. Zari woven pallu. Zari woven blouse piece. Peachish pink with antique gold zari. Zari woven pallu and blouse piece. Light pista green with antique gold zari. Pallu and blouse piece both are in zari woven. Zari woven pallu and blouse piece. Peach with antique gold zari. Zari woven pallu and blouse piece. Light yellow with antique gold zari. Zari woven pallu and blouse piece. Ending today's episode with a gorgeous Kora silk in black with red. Priced at 1290. Zari woven contrast red border. Body has got beautiful floral motifs in zari and contrasting thread weaving in orange and rani pink. Zari woven contrast pallu in red color. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. Bottle green with red. Zari woven contrast pallu in red color. Similar design continued in the blouse piece. Wine with red. Zari woven pallu and blouse piece. Grayish blue with red. Zari woven pallu and blouse piece. If you want to order any saree from today's episode, please WhatsApp in the below number. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload our new video. Thank you. Namaskar.